everyone, this is Jone from Midway 2's Dollhouse. This video I'll show you how to make a coffin bed for Dracula out of Monster High. Create a monster design lab for the bed inlaid. After finishing tattoo all of the doll face, the lab is pretty much useless, so I decided to make a bed out of it. Remove these parts from the machine. It is not even like this, so I'll use a Dremel to file down all the parts that stick out of the surface. If you don't have an electric file, just skip this step and replace the whole panel with a piece of cardboard. After filing, put it back in the coffin. Now you can lay this piece of cardboard perfectly flat on it. To cover the inside of the lid, cut this layout on cardboard. And sew on black velvet to cover them. Hot glue them to the lid like this. And use a piece of black velvet to cover this bare spot by using ladder stitch technique. And voila! The coffin is done. For the blankets, cut out this part and sew on a piece of lace. Somehow I lost the footage of making the blanket and pillow, so I'm going to remake them for you to see. And sew the three sides. So leave a gap to turn it inside out. Then sew on the four sides of the blanket. For the pillow, fold a rectangle in half and sew the three sides. Also leave a gap and turn it inside out. Put the cotton on and sew the four hems. And add black lace on four sides. All done. An easy bed for your doll out of the machine that you probably use just a few times for tattooing the doll face. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!